Doc, I'm based abroad pero bibisita ko dyan. Soon, napapanood ko yung videos nyo and sobrang interested ko. Kaso limited lang yung time ko and nakikita ko yung ibang procedures. Sessions talaga siya, 3 to 5 sessions. Anong advice nyo, Doc? May effect ba pag isang session lang magagawa ko? Ano ba yung pinaka-common example ng kailangan multiple sessions? Una na, of course, yung acne scars. That's really the most common problem we encounter here, even from balikbayan. Ang sinasabi ko dyan, magandang may ginawa kang isa kaysa wala kang ginawa. So, ang maganda naman sa acne scars, the benefit that you will gain with one procedure is permanent kasi we are stimulating collagen. So, yung ginawa mong collagen with one procedure, permanent na yan. It will stay with you. Kailangan mo ba siyang ulitin? Yes. But the timing isn't so important. So, kunwari, every year ka lang talaga makakauwi. Then just do it every year. So, when we say 3 to 5 sessions ang kailangan mong matapos, it will remain 3 to 5 sessions. So, kung every year ka umuwi, edi matatapos mo siya in 3 to 5 years, that's totally okay. Second, most of the skin boosters and biostimulators like Julilook, Ronkylo, Regeran, we really advise 2 to 3 sessions every month. Kaso Doc, isa nga lang magagawa. So, okay lang yon kasi na-try ko na lahat yan. With one session, actually, sa unang session ko nakita yung pinakamagandang result. Yung second and third sessions, that is just to prolong para talagang tumagal yung effect niya. Kung gusto mo makita yung effect, makikita mo talaga siya with one session. Of course, we just say best results in 2 to 3 sessions. Kasi best talaga. Pero hindi ibig sabihin walang results. You will still see some results. However, maganda nga, maulit mo siya. So kung maulit mo siya next year pa, okay lang yon. Basta maulit mo siya. Yun ang importante. Important, consistently magagawa mo siya. Third natin, pinaka-common na ginagawa ng mga balikbayan is Botox. Botox usually lasts 4 to 6 months. And sabi nila, Doc, next year pa ako makakabalik, hindi ko mauulit in 6 months. Magsasag ba yung mukha ko? Meron bang masamang mangyayari if hindi ko siya maulit in 4 to 6 months? The answer is absolutely not. In terms of Botox, mas maganda talagang may nagagawa ka kaysa wala. Kasi at least for a period of time, marirelax yung muscles mo, hindi mababaon yung mga lines natin dito. Yun ang maganda sa Botox, both preventative and it's also a treatment. Okay lang kahit every year mo lang magawa yung Botox, basta gagawin mo siya, mas important yun. Mas magandang may magawa ka kaysa wala kang magawa. Kung every year mo lang siya mauulit, okay lang. If you're going home soon and you want to visit the clinic and you have some questions, first option, you can book a teleconsult with us in advance. So, me and my doctors can advise kung ano na yung mga pwede nyong gawin. We can give the budget and the downtime para alam nyo na lahat. Then secondly, pagka wala na kayong time to do that, just visit us sa clinic and we can have the consult on the same day and also the procedure na i-advise na.